Hey there, viewers! If you're a fitness enthusiast, you've probably heard a lot about high-protein diets and their amazing benefits. High-protein diets are excellent for those trying to shed extra pounds because protein-rich foods keep you full for longer. High-protein foods aren't limited to only eggs, chicken, and beef. There are wonderful meals you can enjoy without getting bored. In today's video, we'll discuss high-protein recipes for weight loss. Are turkey meatballs good? What about tuna patties? We'll be talking about all these and more. Let's begin by discussing a delicious option first: turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs are easy to make as the recipe has simple ingredients and uses ground lean turkey meat. You can serve it as a side dish to any of your meals. It's high in protein but low in carbs, making it a perfect dish to meet your weight loss goals. Avoid dry meatballs by adding chicken broth and breadcrumbs to moisten the dish. You can add some more flavor by using Parmesan cheese and Worcestershire sauce. To make this dish healthier, pair it with a tomato and cucumber salad or with roasted vegetables. Not in the mood for turkey meatballs? Next on our list is just as healthy and delicious. It's time for some grilled chicken and avocado salad. When we talk about eating healthy, the first thing that comes to our mind is eating lots and lots of salad. Salads are a healthy meal that helps you eat a lot of greens and gets all the essential nutrients. If you eat out, you'll find your salads having an overflow of dressing and a lot of cheese. Instead, make your high-protein salad at home using grilled chicken and cut the calories by half. Try adding avocado along with goat cheese and walnuts for taste and enjoy a nutritional boost. Avocados are a superfood in their own right, as they're full of vitamin E and the all-important omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce your cholesterol levels. The folic acid in avocados is especially beneficial to pregnant women. So, now you see you don't need to eat plain old boring salad to lose weight. Something as mouth-watering as grilled chicken and avocado salad can also help you reach your goal faster. Need a healthy and delicious drink to accompany your salad? We can't wait to share what's next on our list. Non-fat kefir is the way to go. Kefir is a fermented dairy product, and it's more or less like yogurt that you can drink. 1 cup of kefir comes with 11 grams of protein and 0 fat. It also has other benefits, including being a rich source of calcium that can improve your bone health. You can use non-fat milk to increase the amount of protein you get from the beverage. Try using kefir to make a smoothie. Add some of your favorite fruits along with greens, such as kale and spinach. Why not try tuna patties for a protein-rich meal? Tuna cake or patties are a good side dish and are easy to make as they have simple ingredients. Take tuna and add eggs, onion, mayonnaise, parsley, and shredded cheese in a bowl. Mix together and form patties. This high-protein and low-carb dish can be eaten for lunch or dinner. Looking for an even lower-calorie meal option that's packed with protein and nutrition? You'll be surprised by what we have next on our list. Low-calorie turkey Reuben is a great choice. Do you love sandwiches? Same. It always breaks my heart when I have to cut sandwiches out of my diet when I'm trying to lose weight. But the good news is we no longer have to stay away from sandwiches. Instead of choosing high-calorie and cheese-loaded sandwiches, switch to low-calorie options like turkey Reuben. Reuben sandwiches are usually made using corned beef and are high in calories, but when using turkey Reuben, you get a lot of protein at the cost of only 365 calories per serving. Turkey Reuben is even better for you when using whole grain bread. This means you also add some necessary fiber into your meal as well. You can take this indulgent dish and make it a part of your weight loss diet. Enough of meat. It's not just non-vegetarians who get to enjoy high-protein meals. Vegetarians and vegans can try plant-based protein meals to stay fit. Our next suggestion is perfect for veggie lovers alike. Sprouted tofu is healthy and delicious. Tofu is a great plant protein source for those who don't eat meat. Step up your protein intake by using sprouted tofu instead of the regular variety. Sprouted tofu doesn't taste significantly different from regular tofu. It's about the same, but is instead made using sprouted soybeans. Sprouted soybeans increase the amount of protein and fiber you consume compared to regular tofu. For every 3 ounces, sprouted soybeans provide 10 grams of protein. It's also high in nutrients and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it easy on your digestive system. Looking for protein-rich snack options? Next on our list is a mouth-watering snack you can easily make at home. Chocolate peanut butter energy balls are amazing. Peanuts are a great addition to your diet and are tasty to boot. Making chocolate peanut butter energy balls is easy and doesn't require baking. They are perfect as a dessert and snack to eat on the go. To make the chocolate coating, you can use baking chocolate, honey, and olive oil. Not a fan of honey? Give maple syrup a try. If you intend to make the balls with your hands instead of a scoop, make sure you chill your hands after washing them. Next on our list is another salad you can try for lunch or dinner. Grilled Caesar salad is an excellent choice. Caesar salad is a favorite for many people, but the dressings you get from the grocery store usually come packed with a lot of fat and calories. Making a healthy Caesar salad is possible and can be high in protein and low in fat and calories. Start the dressing with red wine vinegar along with mayonnaise, clove garlic, and Worcestershire sauce, and then add anchovies. The salad itself would be made with romaine and skinless chicken breasts. Toss in some olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. Have you heard of pea protein powder? Protein powder is quite popular among people who work out regularly. Pea protein powder has many advantages. It's more effective in building muscle than the common dairy-based protein powder. Pea protein powder is also a good source of iron, especially for people who follow a vegan diet. Eating just over a cup of powder is excellent for heart health and lowers blood pressure levels. It also reduces your cholesterol levels. Moving on, let's discuss another plant protein option, tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soybean. Unlike tofu, which is made by coagulating soy milk, tempeh has a firmer structure than tofu and is more pleasant as well. It is a wonderful meat alternative and can give you the protein you need without consuming too many calories. You can use tempeh as part of your stir-fry recipe or sear it and add it to a sandwich. A serving of tempeh weighing around 4 ounces gives you around 21 grams of protein but only comes with 2 grams of fat. Tempeh is a wonderful addition to any weight loss diet. Last on our list is turkey Blt salad. There is nothing like the combination of bacon, lettuce, and tomato, especially when they're part of a sandwich. But have you ever tried a turkey Blt salad? Try cutting the bread into small pieces, creating a base for your salad along with the lettuce. To really boost the protein content in the salad, you can add a few pieces of cubed deli turkey. Not only would this salad have enough substance, but it's also tasty and an easy high-protein dish. It's important to include protein-rich foods in your diet. It's one of the keys to successfully losing weight. Looking for more tips and tricks? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss-related videos, shall we? Watch 50 foods you must avoid if you want to lose weight. You can also try our video on which is better for your weight loss, cardio or weights. Go ahead, click one, or better yet watch both, and learn more about maintaining a healthy weight. Are you planning on trying any of these high-protein meals? Let us know in the comments below.